Hello, Mark Hellen, Energy Service Manager of Nelson and Small. I'm here to talk about the sizing of the units of the Rinnai water heaters. There are two types of unit, an internal unit or an external unit. They come in various sizes. This happens to be the R75 LSI for internal. This happens to be the R53E for external. It can be internal also. The advantages of that, obviously, in New England, most of the water heaters are internally mounted and vented to the outside for protection purposes. The external unit is usually used in campgrounds or seasonal applications. But I'm here to attest that this heater can be mounted in Portland, Maine, outside, with no problems at all of freezing. They are both freeze protected. These units will protect themselves to 30 below zero. There are some other criteria that we will get into in a later CD on plumbing for an exterior unit if you should put it in freezing conditions, but that heater will protect itself and can be used outside anywhere in New England. The units do come in residential and commercial type units. The only difference is the unit is physically the same. The commercial unit, this touchpad would be changed and will give you the capability of going up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, restaurants that require that kind of temperature, laundromats, hotels, things like that, hospitals. But the residential unit will only go to 140 max. So that's the difference between the two units. It does affect the warranty. The warranty on a commercial unit is only 5 years on the heat exchanger, 5 years on parts, and 1 year on labor. The residential unit is 12 years on the heat exchanger, 5 years on parts, and 1 year on labor. Which would be best for the consumer? That's a question that you definitely need to ask. How much water do they plan to use? And please don't get confused with the number that you're seeing on the unit. That 75 does stand for a specific reason. The 53 does also. Those are under maximum conditions where you can get the output of 5.3 gallons or 7.5 gallons. But that's only at a 20-degree rise. Here in New England, we need at minimum a 70-degree rise in our water for it to be comfortable for us to use. And it will put it down to 4.3 to 4.6 gallon on the 75 model, about 3.6 to 3.8 on the 53 model. If you know what your customer needs, and that's very, very important, please call us if you have any concerns, and we will tell you which heater will work best for that particular application. That being said, we are making more CDs talking about installation, what's required, what's needed. Please join us on our website or on Facebook, and we will explain more. We'd love to have your opportunity to see about our Rinnai water heaters.